Explanation of breast cancer, including its definition and step-by-step pathophysiology. Definition of breast cancer. Breast cancer is a malignant tumor that originates in the cells of the breast, most commonly in the ducts, ductal carcinoma, or lobules, lobular carcinoma. It occurs when abnormal breast cells grow uncontrollably, invade surrounding tissues, and may spread metastasize to other parts of the body, such as the bones, lungs, liver, or brain. Step-by-step pathophysiology of breast cancer. The development of breast cancer follows a multi-step process that includes genetic, molecular, and cellular changes. 1. Initiation, genetic mutation begins. DNA mutations occur in breast cells, particularly in oncogenes, e.g. HER2, or tumor suppressor genes, e. BRCA1, BRCA2, TP53. These mutations can be inherited, germline, or acquired, somatic, due to environmental lifestyle factors like radiation, hormones, or carcinogens. The cell gains the ability to divide uncontrollably. HER2, hyperplasia, increased cell proliferation. Mutated cells proliferate excessively without normal regulation. This results in hyperplasia, or an abnormal increase in the number of breast cells. The growth remains localized but forms a small mass or cluster. 3. Atypical hyperplasia, early precancerous change. Cells begin to show abnormal size, shape, and structure, dysplasia. This is often a precancerous condition that increases the risk of progressing to cancer. Still confined within the ducts or lobules, non-invasive. 4. Carcinoma in situ, stage 0 cancer. Ductal carcinoma in situ, DCIS, or lobular carcinoma in situ, LCIS, develops. These abnormal cells remain confined within the duct lobule and have not invaded surrounding tissues. High potential to become invasive if untreated. 5. Invasive carcinoma, local invasion. Cancer cells break through the basement membrane and invade nearby breast tissue. The tumor begins to grow into the stroma, fatty tissue, or muscle of the breast. Angiogenesis, formation of new blood vessels, supports further tumor growth. 6. Lymphovascular invasion. Cancer cells invade lymphatic vessels or blood vessels near the tumor. This enables spread, metastasis to regional lymph nodes, typically axillary nodes. 7. Metastasis, distant spread. Tumor cells travel through the bloodstream or lymphatic system to distant organs. Common metastatic sites include bones, liver, lungs, brain. Once metastasized, breast cancer becomes stage 4, requiring systemic treatment. Thank you. Have a nice day.